guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Stick around because from now till the end of Easter, I will be making vegan and Lenten dishes that everyone will fall in love with and enjoy. We're kicking off this Lenten season with a lentil soup. See what I did there? And where did lentil soup come from? Well, the history goes back, and I mean way back, like way back, to the Old Testament of the Bible. In Genesis chapter 25, verse 29 through 30, it talks about Jacob making a stew. I wonder what that stew was. Lentil soup is packed with high protein, high fiber, nutrients. It's a low calorie, no fat, and best of all, it's cholesterol free. Last episode, we made French onion soup in this Instant Pot. And my personal experience, well, I saved a lot of time. I saved a lot of cleanup. It was a breeze. What could normally take hours to do only took 30 minutes. And imagine what you could do with extra time on your hands. The beauty about this Instant Pot is that you could be anywhere, at any altitude, in any part of the world, and still use this perfect Instant Pot without having to alter time in any recipe that you make. And today, we're gonna make this lentil soup inside this Instant Pot. With all these ingredients that we have right behind us, my gosh, you talk about flavor, you talk about a powerful punch, you talk about nutrients. You've got everything on this table going right into your system. The best part, as you know, it is vegan and it's wholesome goodness. Well, that's all I gotta say for right now. And if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get Lenting. And here it is, the lentil soup, made easy inside the Instant Pot. I mean, talk about time saver and not to mention cleanup. Wow, chefs, you need one of these. It is no mess, no hassle, everything all in one place. And honestly, cleanup was a cinch. Enough talking, let's try this out. With a touch of lemon squeezed right on top. Wow, this really made a difference. This entire soup is very healthy for you, and honestly, I think I'm gonna finish this bowl. And there it is, all gone. The turmeric, cumin, carrots, you've got your celery, you've got your onions. All of that plays a part in the flavor of this lentil soup. And that just wraps up today's episode. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think. Write down in the comments down below. I'm curious to know what kind of combinations you come up with and create to make this awesome soup. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, share with all your friends and family, and that little notification bell, don't forget to click on that so you will know when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking.